What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be playing with this skin with nothing else, only the skin. And yeah, I'm just gonna change the pasture for no reason, but yeah, that's our skin. We're gonna play like superpower mode and hopefully get a win. If you didn't see my video yet, which I posted an hour ago, it's about me talking about this area and this area. And yeah, if you want me to make more videos, then just tell me about ideas of videos and I will do some other videos. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, okay, that guy is not sweaty, so I think I'm gonna kill him after I open these two chests. No, that's good. That's sweaty boy, you ain't sweaty enough to kill me. Don't come in here. 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 Why you? That was just a third party. I mean, I'll die either way if I go down. I mean, side. That was not possible, man. I think this is an eagle or something. I forgot what the skin's name was. Oh yeah. What were those explosions? I saw a video where this guy exploded something. Oh yeah, the goo guns. Yeah, that like uses like that explodes into X. Party. Man! I'm just trying to heal up, man. Why are you bullying me? That is just such a scam. The house looks like there's no one in it. That is just such a scam. Okay. I really hope it goes. Okay. I'm gonna go actually like a big gingerbread house. I don't really think they should have changed this, but I also like Lucky Lake, so yeah. I'm fine with it, but oh, I really like those, but I took them. So yeah. Get over here, get over here, get over here. Get over here, get over here, get over here. Got him, we got him. How bad is this guy, bro? How much ammo did he have? Man, right? Double party? Oh my god, I'm insane! I hit my snipes! Okay, no one runs from me, and no one. Get over here! Bro! I mean, that guy will die easily. He tries teaming! Okay, that will be it for the video. Peace.